Hello everyone, welcome back once again to my channel Be Fitness Therapy. I'm Dr. Bharti and today I'm going to help you with neck pain. So basically what happens in the neck pain is like you will usually get pain over here, from here radiating to back. I will include a picture here to show you the exact pain site. Okay, so let's move to the exercises. Before that, let's see a major cause of it. So whoever is doing lot of computer work, gradually they tend to go into position which is not normal for our neck and even for our body. Overall, I would like to say that you should include these exercises in your daily routine if you are doing a long time sitting job or working on computer for prolonged period of time. So for example, when you're working on computer, I would like to show you in the side view. What happens is like here, when you're typing, you gradually slowly try to go into the adjustable position, and then this is the same. So this position is not good for your neck, it is not good for your spine, and even if you are continuously doing this exercise, it may strain, it gives you strain, it also triggers the migraine headache. Because of one neck posture, your entire body fitness gets disturbed.
Now let's see the exercises without any delay.
So the first exercise is bending forward and backward. Okay, so what you have to do is bend forward, and if bending forward is painful for you, just limit the range to the painful area. Okay, for example, just limit the range. Okay, so what happens is like when I am bending, okay, when I'm bending, the pain starts on this point, particular point of my neck bending. So there I should hold and then come back. Do not exceed it to the painful range. Okay, for example, if this is my, I'm just explaining. Okay, so if I am bending the neck, okay, angle wise, just imagine it as an angle. Okay, if I am bending my neck, this is the side view of your head. Okay, if I am bending my neck, okay, and the pain starts in this angle, so stop here, don't go in the painful range. That's what I'm explaining. Okay, so first is like you have to bend your neck and then all the way go up, stretching it proper. So you have got to repeat these exercises 10 times, minimum 10 times. Okay. So the next exercise, so you understood this exercise, it is in this plane. Okay, this plane. So the next exercise is you have to rotate sideways. Try to take the chin towards your shoulder. Okay. So the same thing goes with all the exercises. If at all you have pain in any range while doing these exercises, you have to stop at that angle or at that point where you start feeling discomfort. So after this, we will be moving towards the side bending of the neck. Third exercise is side bending. So what you got to do is you have to side bend. Okay. When you side bend, your entire this side should be stretched. So now when you're side bending, you do not go forward or you do not go back. Okay, so this is the plane. So what happens is here, you don't have to change the plane. The plane which I am explaining is the first exercise plane was this. Okay, this, and the next exercise plane is sorry, rotation. Okay, that's rotation, and the other exercise plane is this. Like if I say like this. Okay, this way. So what you have to do is in this plane, just the side bend, and then you can maintain it for 5 minutes. Sorry, 5 seconds, and then you can maintain it for 5 seconds. Then come back. Again, you can repeat it for the other side. Okay, you don't got to do like this. Okay, don't lift your shoulder. You just have to approximate your ear to your shoulder as much as you can. Okay, as much as you can. Do not push yourself in the painful range. So this was the third exercise. Then the fourth exercise will be you got to stretch your levator scapularis. So guys, now we will be adding manual pressure to the stretch. Okay, manual pressure is added. I will demonstrate. Okay, so first you have to take your hand here. This will be a side lateral flexion. Okay, so this hand you will be placing here, and then this you will be taking here to fix this side. Okay, and then maintain it for 30 seconds, or if you are beginning, you can do it for 20 seconds and then gradually progress to 30 seconds. You should feel the stretch in this area, okay, and then come back to the starting position. This you have to do for 3 sets, 30 seconds into 3 sets, okay. So let's move towards the next exercise, that is clasping neck stretch, okay. So for that we'll need to sit on the chair, or you can take a table like this, okay, and then you have to sit comfortably, be seated, clasp your hand, place it behind your head, okay, and then just bend forward. Maintain it for 30 seconds, and then you have to slowly come back to your normal position, okay. Again you have to repeat it for 30 seconds and then come back to the normal position. Same, you have to do it for 3 sets. So in this program I am adding one more stretch, that is scalene stretch, okay. So in this you have to, again what you have to do is you have to come back, fix your arm, your one hand you have to fix, and then you have whichever side you want to stretch, whichever side muscle you want to stretch, you have to bend to the opposite side and then look straight up towards the ceiling. Same thing, you have to maintain it for 30 seconds, okay. Maintain it for 30 seconds and then you have to come back to the starting position. Maintain 30 seconds into 3 sets. All the stretches which you will be performing shown here should be 30 seconds into 3 sets, or if you are beginning the stretch, 20 seconds and then into 3 sets, but 3 sets is a very important key factor for stretch. So guys, the last exercise is a bonus for you because this is very effective and I am using especially in my clinic for my patients, okay. So what you have to do, you have to just hold your hand like this, bend your elbow 90 degree, okay, keep your arm aside, and then you have to just take your shoulders up, shrug it up, okay, squeeze it nice and go gentle back, okay, retract it. I will also show you from behind how it looks, and then you have to maintain it for 10 seconds and then you have to come back and relax, okay. This you have to do at least 5 to 7 times, okay. I'm telling you, if you try this, within a minute you will see the change in you will see the tension release of your trapezius, upper trapezius muscle, okay. So guys, these were 5 simple beginner exercises for your neck strain. If you find it useful, please let me know in the comment section below. Till then, take care. Namaskar.